Hi, good evening. Today we will see the trade review. The first candle today there was a gap up of around 100, more than 100 point. So if you see the first candle which was opened 323,377 and closed near about 23,334. So here what we did, so 23,300 CE and 23,300 PE we selected. So here if you see, I have some accelerator and accelerator indicator which is not here, which is not supporting, only it is supporting in the CPE side. PE side it is supporting. Here I have some accelerator indicator, both are supporting. But the CE side it is not supporting. So hence I am putting the reverse smiley. So here it is not supporting. So hence we entered here, you see here, we entered here in the first candle itself, breakout we took the entry. First candle breakout, if you see here, near about 20, near about 20 we entered. So entry point I put it in red. So okay. So again, what I did, immediately I put the stop loss in the top. Immediately we put the stop loss in the top. So here, so the after stop loss in the first candle already entry candle got means small candle only it has created. Before means changing the stop loss, I think first trade got here means near about changing the this thing, got almost hit the stop loss, means 20 we entered, 27 we exited, means around 7 point here we lost actually. Actually, if you fast, if you enter, we would have put the 24, we would have put the stop loss, but we could not able to put the stop loss immediately. So we lost around 7 point. Last 7 point in the first trade itself. Okay, then if you see here, then as the math not supporting, then here it is supporting actually. Then after some time, this area if you see around 945, 945 accelerator both are supporting, and this candle also nearing to the alligator red line. So hence what we did, we entered here near about we entered around 32, we entered near about 32, and we put the stop loss in the top of the same candle 41. We put the stop loss 41. Okay, then again if you see second candle is a green candle, hence we are not changing the stop loss, we are changing the stop loss to the candle top here around 37 we kept. Then again third candle, it's 10 o'clock candle, is a green red candle, again we are changing the stop loss to 35. Then if you see here, there are 20 minutes there was no change in candle, 1 2 3 4 candle are green candle, hence we are keeping as it is. 32 we entered, and 35 we 36 we kept the stop loss. Now if you see here, 10:25 candle got red candle, hence we changed the stop loss to 31. 32 we entered, again we put the 32. Then again if you see there are two candle are green candle, then we are not changing the stop loss. Then here we are changing the stop loss to 27. Then again there is a red candle, again we are changing the stop loss to 25. Then again we are changing to 20 around. Then there are small doji candle, green candle, that we are not changing the stop loss. Then again there is a stop loss of green candle, red candle around 11:05. Here we are changing the stop loss to 16.5, and again we are changing the stop loss to 14.5. Then again we are changing the stop loss to 13. So if you see 13 we got hit. That means we entered around 32 minus 13, good 19 point. Here we booked near about 19 point we booked. First trade we lost at 7 point. Second trade we booked 19 points. 19 points. So afterwards, if you see here, there is no much premium is left here. If you see now, so 1115 na 1115. If you see 1115, which has gone to 223 288. So further there was no further this thing is got means premium is left, and here the P side also, P side if you see afterwards there is a support here, there is a support, this area there is a support, here we entered this area na? This area we entered around 27, we entered 27, we got entry around 12:30, we got the entry. Then again slowly we are changing the stop loss up to this area, here stop loss got hit already. So 27 we entered and the stop loss got hit near about 16. So that means 11 point, here we booked 11 point. Here we booked 11 points. Then again, if you see C side there was no much entry here. Then finally we got the entry near means here 1420 only we got the entry. That entry also actually this one there is a very slight downfall here. What we did here, below this area there is a stop loss trigger order. This area is a stop loss trigger order. So that is 10. We entered in 10 and exited near about 4, means 6 point. Here we captured around 6 point. This area we booked a 6 point. Earlier what we did around 19 point we booked in the CE and the 6 point, total 25 point in the CE side, and the PE side if you see further trade in the 3 o'clock candle there is a trade. You see here, this is the 3 o'clock candle. 3 o'clock candle if you see there is a around 4 rupees it is there, which got around 4 rupees it is there, which got 0 around 4.8, which got 0. So here 4 point we booked. So C side we booked 25 and P side 4 plus 11, 15 point plus minus 7 point, so 8 point. So total here today if you see here, so there was no much premium left in the current means this month expiry. So 25 plus 8 we booked 25 plus 8 is equal to around 33 point. We booked here. So you would have asked why you have not taken the next month, why you have not taken the next week means strike. So if you are seeing that here, at least we would have booked 33 point. If you see in the next week strike, if you see here, I will show in the next week cycle also. Here we will select next week strike 23,300. Next week cycle I am selecting and 23,300 P. So you see here, there are no breakout here. With a very long time, there is no breakout. There is no premium erosion. If you see in the bottom, there are in the still as it is there. Same way, if you see in the P side also, there is no much this thing. You see here also there is no breakout. Here also there is no breakout. As it is going, in the 3 o'clock only. It has made one after 2:15 made one zigzag movement. But here there is no much this thing. At 3 o'clock moment there was there, but at 3 o'clock moment we could not able to. That time you could not able to take the risk after booking all those profit. If you are taking the risk in the 3 o'clock, then after that will be vanished. Whatever profit you have taken, that will be vanished. That is why here we have not taken the next week this thing can strike. So current week strike itself we booked around 33 point, which is enough for us. Thank you for watching.